your financial condition for the better. Using ChatGPT. Hey everyone, Defi Master here with an amazing video that's going to change your financial condition for the better. Today, I'll be walking you through the process of deploying an Ethereum arbitrage bot using ChatGPT, which is your ticket to easy daily passive income. This arbitrage bot is a smart automated trading tool that scans Uniswap and SushiSwap to spot the price differences between them. It helps you to make a profit by buying a token at a lower price on one exchange and quickly selling it at a higher price on another. If you're thinking this sounds way too complex, trust me, it's a breeze. You don't need any coding expertise, and I'll be right here to guide you every step of the way. So let's dive right in and start generating that passive income you've always dreamed of.
Alright, let's get started. I'm gonna use ChatGPT to write the code. Hey ChatGPT, write me the code for a smart contract on Ethereum to auto-trade the arbitrage opportunities between Uniswap and SushiSwap. There you go. ChatGPT is writing a code, and I bet it's better than any human can possibly write it. Then head over to remix.ethereum.org. Remix is a Web3 application that allows us to develop, compile, deploy, and launch smart contracts coded in the Solidity language. I'll put a link to Remix in the description below. Make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. If it's your first time on Remix, it may ask you to agree to their terms. I've already done it. Head over to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the contracts folder. We're going to name it bot.sol. Next, copy this code from ChatGPT and paste it into the file bot.sol you've just created. This is our arbitrage bot. I will also place this code under the description so that you can copy it if you don't have access to ChatGPT 4. A couple of things to look at after pasting the code lines 50 and 51. You can follow these addresses using Etherscan. These are the addresses of wrapped Ether tokens which we'll be competing against. You don't actually need to have any wrapped Ether. Yep, perfect! It's the official wrapped Ether address. Always a good idea to check that. Back to Remix. Now that our bot file is ready, let's compile it and click here. As you can see, here it's built with the 0.6.6 version of Solidity. Under compiler, select the 0.6.6 version so that it matches our contract. Also make sure the language is set to Solidity and EVM version is set to default. Now click on the compile bot.sol button and wait for the bot to compile. Now we're going to deploy this to our wallet. Head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab in Remix. Here you'll want to select Injected Web3 as the environment. We need to confirm the contract on the blockchain by paying gas fees. Gas fees are the commission on the Ethereum network for smart contract deployment. Now the deployment utility is ready to go, click Deploy. I always set the gas fee to high. There's usually not much of a difference and it puts the transaction through faster. Now we wait for the transaction to confirm. Sweet! We can see here that it's confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Now you can see the various functions for our smart contract. Start enables the bot to start monitoring the market, and withdraw stops the bot and transfers the funds back into your wallet. Rest of the functions are not quite relevant for now. With the smart contract deployed, fund it with some Ethereum, which will be used for trading. Make sure you got the right address there. You can fund the contract with whatever amount of Ethereum you want, but keep in mind the more you put in, the larger the trades will be able to make and potentially more profit you can accumulate over time. Sweet! There we go! The transaction confirms that the funds were sent to the contract. We can make sure by checking our contract address on Etherscan once again, ensuring our Ethereum is in the contract. Nice! It's got 2 Ethereum, which is the amount we funded the contract with. The last step is to click Start. This one will enable the bot to start monitoring the market and execute trades. Let's set the gas fee to high, save and click Confirm. Alright guys, it's been a little over 12 hours now and it's time to check the profits the bot made for me. So as you can see, I have about 2.31 Ethereum, which is over 15% profit already. I'm gonna let my bot run for about another 12 hours and withdraw the profits after that. Alright, let's see how much more we made. Nice! It's a little over 2.54 Ethereum. So it basically took me a day to make over 25% of my deposit back. That's pretty impressive. The bot will continue to run until you click the withdraw button. When you click withdraw, the bot will stop trading and return the total Ethereum you entered initially, including the profit, back to your wallet. So let's click it. This will charge us a little bit of gas. I'll set it to high again and then click confirm. There we go. The transaction is confirmed. Let's go to our MetaMask and see what we have now. You can see the balance from the bot is now in my wallet. This is only after running the bot for a little over a day. Unreal. I've even had weeks where I've made 3 to 6 Ethereum, sometimes more. The profits will fluctuate week to week. Guys, share your profits in the comments below, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more profitable ways to make passive income using Web3 tools.